Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly show you an introduction to this camera that I bought on AliExpress. I sure it was a hot product on when I used Shop Inspect, and that made me interested. So I bought it to see what it was like. I bought the 720, I think, with a 3.6mm lens, because the 1080 didn't have any lenses in when I went to buy it. So I just thought I'll buy the cheapest one, $22.97. Here's what I paid. I got a $3 off. See this little $3 gift thing? I got $3 off, so I probably paid $23.77. So what did I get? I got definitely this one. So I probably paid, I'm not sure, but anyway, I paid $20.77 for it, and it worked out. It cost me £16.57. So I'm going to show you how to set it up, what I thought of it as I opened it, and then if you need me to, leave a comment and I can go into further details of what you need to do and deeper instructions. But in this video I'll show you exactly what it's like and exactly how easy it is to get it up and working. Let me just show you straight away though it working before we dive into me unboxing it and the further details. So at the moment I've just got it sat looking through a window upstairs. So you get this app for your phone connected to it, and I've just sort of pointed it down to in front of my dad's van, and you can zoom in, you can move around and do funky things. That's looking for a window, so that the image would be clearer. There's a little bit of a reflection of itself because I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet or what I'm going to do. I'm just going to test that it works. I'm not going to show you its night mode in this video, but I may do another video where I'll show you in the recording. So I just want to show you it's up and running, and now I'm going to show you how to get it up and running. Hello, I've just got my camera delivered. It arrived, today's the 28th. I bought it on the 15th, so it took 13 days to come. I'm just going to open it and just give you the first thoughts on it. It's packed well. Light, just rattling. Well, less than 2 weeks to come, so set up to 4 or 6, isn't it, on the sales page. How much did I pay for it? What did I pay total? I think it was like 16 or 18 quid. Confirm. Yeah, I'll find out, but I don't know exactly. So, first look. Power supply. Obviously, just going to plug it in. Plug and play. Wrapped up. Nothing fancy. A little tube. There's an aerial. Screw that in now. So I don't lose it. Probably say don't screw aerial in. So there it is, little camera. It was 17 quid, I think. It looks alright, it's pretty solid. You know, it's clean, obviously it's clean. Smaller than I probably thought on the picture, but it's probably better being smaller. But it's got a nice bit of weight to it, it feels sturdy enough. I mean, it's not going to take many hammers to hit that and break it, but for $16, first thoughts, it all looks decent enough, decent kit. Everything it said it was going to be. So I'm going to plug it in, play with it, share how to use it, and then I'm going to screw it to the wall and properly use it on our house. Right, so I'm going to set it up for the first time and play, and I'm going to try and show you exactly how I've done it. I've got wires coming out of the yin here. So you get a simple little sheet. Let's see how easy it is. I'll do it straight out from searching it. Download the app on mobile. Right, so I'm going to switch my computer. I'll switch my phone on so you can see my phone working. Device plug-in, power on, wait for 30 seconds. Camera ID will show in your wireless LAN list. If you don't see the app, please press the camera. Right, so I'm just going to plug this in first. So I'm just going to plug the power lead in, that one. Seems I'm going to wait 30 seconds. And I'll try and balance it here. I really should have had like a desk setup, shouldn't I, to show you a bit easier, but maybe I'll do that in another video where I'll do it all properly. So the camera's plugged in. Now I'll pause you and I'll see if I can show you my phone. Show you exactly how to do that. Right, so I'll try and show you through on the phone. So I'm going to go to App Store. I already have it. And search there, look, Cam High. C-A-M High. Search for that. Oh, just searched it again. Get it, install it, right? So, please search for Cam High in App Store. Power on your device. Camera ID will show in your wireless LAN list. Tip, if you don't. If you don't see it, press the reset button. Okay. Oh, this is taking a lot. Oh, there it's gone. Right, so it's loaded. Let's try it again. Here we go. Sorry. I've just played golf a minute. I'm all a bit hay-fevery. Open. Okay. Come out loud to you, okay? Video. Local. So, add a camera. Search for the camera code. Right, let me do it as properly. Power on. If you don't see wireless LAN list, is it on about settings and then Wi-Fi? Yeah, so there's the camera, look. So in the Wi-Fi settings, input the default password of 01234567. 01234567. Click join. So your camera will start. So I better not point it at my nuts while I'm joining. Let's point it somewhere else. Right, so you'll see import. We'll connect. Open Cam High. Go back. Add camera. Name the camera. Search cameras for LAN. Device on LAN. You will see camera ID, please check. Settings, please click camera settings. Wireless installation. There's more settings to do, but I've just clicked done. But I'll go through it all again whenever I set it up properly, because this is just to work to my phone, isn't it? Still connecting. Oh, there we go. I don't know why I'm turning my phone. The famous bike, exercise bike. Map of the world. That ugly mug. That's pretty good, to be fair, isn't it? $16. It was the 720p one. Not the 1080, because they didn't have any lenses in stock when I went to buy it. But that's pretty cool. So it's took me that long to get it to set it up. But I'll do a proper section in this training on exactly how to set it up, because I'm going to set it up outside and show you how to do that properly. That's just a quick way to set it up, quick way to get started. Right, so it's not fully set up yet though, obviously, because now I want to move it to, it says here, if I keep following the instructions, change from AP mode to Wi-Fi mode. Please do the following steps. Please click camera settings, figure 10, which is the settings button, to the right hand side, settings. Please click camera settings, Wi-Fi settings. So I'm going to go here and Wi-Fi manager, and then I'm going to pick mine, which is that top one, and I'm going to add the password, right? So I'll just add my password and then click apply, then I'll be back just as soon as I've found that little card with a Wi-Fi password in it, because I usually have it in one place, but my niece and my nephew have been, and it usually gets put on iPhones and moved. So I'll be back shortly. I had the password, just clicked apply, and now it says camera online. So now it is working. It is working on the Wi-Fi. So obviously now it's connected through the Wi-Fi. I can go and screw it up. Hopefully when I'm planning to put it picks up the Wi-Fi. But it's now connected to the house internet. Cool. Just going to do this final step. Change your camera password. Just because it's the final part of the instructions, I'll show you it. You go back to settings, change password to the top one. Put in the old password. If it's default and you haven't changed it yet, then it's admin, all lowercase. I've just seen it somewhere. The old password is admin, all lowercase, lowercase ADMIN. So you put admin in the top one, and then you put in your new password, and that's it. You're done as far as setting up the camera to work on your Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to access it. Cool. Oh, I just wanted to do an introduction video to show you this camera. You know, it was really easy to set up. It was easy to connect to the internet, and then obviously you need a recording device wherever you're going to record it, but you'll be able to program your recording device in there. There is a TPTEK app for Windows, but I've only got a Mac, so I can't show you that. But again, in another video I might set up properly and do the whole thing and show you a little bit more professional. I know this was a little bit thrown together. It's the first sort of camera introduction I've done. I know I can improve, but any questions, let me know. Like I said, I've got this one. I got one of these. It must have been this one, I think. 6mm lens, $23.69 with $3 off. I got it for $20. I got it for $20.77, $16.57, £16.57. It cost me total. 2 weeks to deliver. I thought it was really good, and at the moment, I'm impressed by it. As I say, any questions, let me know. Follow the link below. I'll put a link to this AliExpress, to the camera. I've lost the camera. To the camera image website, so you can go and buy it yourself if you're interested in it. Cool.